Okay, we are going to find some hints for this now. So if you want to see the first hint, it's going to appear on the screen shortly. We're going to make the first probability of getting a purple out of 4, and we are going to invent the letter P to stand for the number of purple balls that we have. And because we replace the ball before choosing again, those two probabilities are going to be the same. Can you figure it from here? Okay, we need to multiply our way through from left to right of the probability tree, choosing purple and purple. Those two probabilities multiplied together equal 1 over 16. If we multiply those two fractions together, we get p squared over 16. So p squared must be equal to 1. So p is either positive or negative 1. Now, negative 1 purple balls doesn't make any sense whatsoever, so the answer must be 1.